right, it's Thursday. We are almost through our first week of school, and I hope you've been practicing some of these manners, both in school as well as outside of school. I would love to hear about them if you had a chance to practice. So today's manners are really just real simple, quick ones, things that you can do that don't take much effort. The first one is don't ask for rewards for your behavior. It's a real simple, like if you go in the bathroom and there are little pieces of paper towel down there and you pick those up, you don't go back and tell your teacher, I picked up paper towels in the bathroom. You just do it because you know it's the right thing to do and it keeps our space clean, right? Or if you went out and helped somebody on the playground, you don't come back over to the adult and say, I just helped her down the slide, or I just helped her on the swings. You want other people just to notice those things. You don't need to say anything to other people. So don't ask for rewards for your behavior. Or if you're doing well in school, you don't ask for any rewards for that stuff. You just do that because that's part of what you do and who we are at Beartooth. The next one is you just follow all the rules. So the rules you've been going over this week with your teachers, follow those rules and procedures like how you go to the bathroom and if you need to check out or raise your hand or do a symbol. You follow those procedures when you're in your classroom with your teacher. And it doesn't matter if it's your teacher or a guest teacher or if it's somebody else. You follow those rules and the procedures that you've been taught on how you do things. The next one, the last one, is transitions. That's a tricky word for some of our younger students. Transitions are anything that when you move from one place to another. So let's say you're all at your desk and your teacher is saying, okay, we're going to come down to the carpet. Now there's probably a procedure for that we talked about a minute ago, right? Maybe certain groups of desks come at a time, or maybe your teacher says a certain word and everybody comes to the carpet. That's a transition. We want those transitions to be quick. We do them quietly, and we are careful of other people. We say we do it orderly, but really it's also an awareness piece. And hopefully your teachers have talked about our foundations, and that third foundation under be engaged and aware. That aware piece is that you're watching other people and you're making sure you're not going to bump into each other. You're keeping your space and you're being careful to keep everybody safe. That's being aware. So that is the final one. So don't ask for rewards for behavior. Follow your classroom rules and procedures. And the final one is transitions are going to be quick, quiet, and orderly. Very simple ones for today, but they help us so much at school. Hey Bears, I hope you've had an awesome first 4 days now of school. And we've got our last day tomorrow. And I know some of you might be getting a little bit tired. Some of you are getting settled in and feeling good about school. I'm so happy for that. I will see you in the lunchroom where we have our own procedures, right? And we'll practice them in there. Have an awesome day today.